Now that you know what GPT 5.6 is and how it has improved, let's talk about where it can actually make a difference in your daily life. Imagine you're a student preparing for an exam. Instead of reading through hundreds of pages of notes, you can ask ChatGPT to summarize a chapter, explain difficult concepts in simple English, create practice questions, or even quiz you like a teacher. It won't replace studying, but it can make learning much more interactive and save you a lot of time. If you're a freelancer, GPT 5.6 can help you write client emails, create project proposals, brainstorm ideas, or organize your daily tasks. Rather than spending 30 minutes staring at a blank page, you can use AI to create a solid first draft and then personalize it to match your own style. For content creators, the possibilities are even bigger. Whether you're making YouTube videos, writing blog posts, or creating social media content, ChatGPT can help you generate ideas, improve headlines, write outlines, and organize your thoughts. The key is to treat it as a creative partner rather than expecting it to do all the work for you. Small business owners can also benefit by using GPT 5.6 to write product descriptions, answer customer questions, draft marketing emails, or plan promotional campaigns. These everyday tasks may seem small, but automating part of the process can save hours every week. Now here's one of the biggest secrets to getting better results from ChatGPT. Don't ask short questions. Give clear instructions. Instead of typing something like, write a social media post, try saying, write a friendly LinkedIn post announcing the launch of my new online store. Keep it under 150 words, use a professional tone, and end with a question that encourages people to comment. Notice how much more information you're giving. The more context you provide, the better the AI understands your goal, and the better the response usually becomes. Another simple tip is to ask ChatGPT to improve its own answers. If the first response isn't exactly what you wanted, don't start a new conversation. Instead, say things like, make it shorter, use simpler English, add more examples, or rewrite it in a more professional tone. These small follow-up prompts often make a huge difference. Of course, no AI model is perfect. GPT 5.6 can still make mistakes or occasionally provide incorrect or outdated information. That's why it's always important to double-check facts when you're dealing with topics like health, finance, legal advice, or major business decisions. AI should be viewed as a powerful assistant, not your only source of truth. It's also worth remembering that OpenAI regularly updates ChatGPT. Features, pricing, availability, and model options may change over time, so it's always a good idea to check the official OpenAI website for the latest information. So, is GPT 5.6 worth using? If you're already using ChatGPT for work, study, content creation, or productivity, then yes. The improvements may not always be dramatic at first glance, but they help make conversations smoother, responses more accurate, and complex tasks easier to manage. And if you're completely new to AI, GPT 5.6 is a great place to start because it makes interacting with AI feel more natural than ever before. The biggest takeaway from this video is simple. The quality of your results depends just as much on your prompts as it does on the AI model itself. Learning how to ask better questions is one of the most valuable AI skills you can develop, and it will continue to benefit you no matter how these tools evolve in the future. AI isn't here to replace your creativity or your thinking. It's here to help you work faster, learn more efficiently, and spend less time on repetitive tasks. When you use it the right way, it becomes a tool that supports your ideas instead of replacing them. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. How are you planning to use GPT 5.6 in your daily life? Whether it's for studying, work, content creation, or running a business, I'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you want more beginner-friendly AI tutorials, practical productivity tips, and the latest AI updates explained in simple English, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.